So we showed you guys before. Now we're going to show you after on this 2019 Dodge HEMI Challenger. Still got the converters factory. Less than 4,000 miles on it. Factory X pipe. Then we put these DYNOMAX bullets. If you want the link in the description if you want to purchase them. Right there. They're 3" to 3". And then we put 3" deleted the rear mufflers or resonators and put 3" pipe in their place. There and there. And then we put quad tips out the back. Black quad tips to accent the black wheels and the white color. Came out really beautiful, really nice. That's everything we cut off right there. There's the mid mufflers. There's the rear mufflers or resonators. Everybody calls them different. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That's how you do them. 2009 Dodge Challenger RT V8 HEMI. Still got the stock converters there and there, factories. Then it's got a factory X pipe. Then we put some Flowmaster Flow FX that you can, if you like to purchase, you can go in the comments, in the link below in the description. And then we did a muffler delete right there and right there. Rear muffler delete, and there's the Flowmaster FX again. And we reused his tips right there, right there. That's the mufflers and suitcase that was in the middle that we cut off. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Dodge Challenger. Sounds so much better. You can tell the demons are coming out. That sounds good. Let you guys hear on the inside. You gotta go beast mode, bro. Show me what it's got when you leave. Much better. Flowmaster FX never disappoint. Nobody likes those mufflers. Always cut them off. Oh yeah, that sounds good. Beast mode. Much better.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.